Let us now look at this new addition to the GoHighLevel dashboard that is called countdown timers. So to understand what is a countdown timer, you must have used or seen countdown timers in different landing pages. So now GoHighLevel has a separate option to have these countdown timers. Let's find out what it is and how it works. So that's the tab for countdown timer. I click on create a new countdown timer. I have a lot of different templates that I can use, and that's interesting because earlier we had to customize the design, use a lot of custom coding to design different countdown timers, but now we have different designs that we can use. Let's say we go with the minimalist one, and here it is. Continue with this template. The timer type, that's fixed or a recurring one. The time start date, loop events, wait time coming soon, countdown duration, maybe 2 hours, or let's say 4 hours, 15 minutes. The time zone that you select. Active timer leads to link, you can give the link. Expired timer leads to link. Once you have created this, you can look at the styling options. You can change the template. You can choose to show day, hours, minutes, seconds. If you do not want the day option, you can click on the day and move it from here. Typography, colors, the image that you want to show when it expires, and so on. Now these, once I am done, I look at the options that I have here. Untitled countdown timer, we can rename it obviously, and once it saves, it has been saved successfully. Let's go back. That's this, the countdown timer is created. Now if I want to use it somewhere, I can copy the code and use it. Now the interesting part is, why is it in the marketing tab? Because you can use this countdown timer. I'll show you where you can use this. Let's look at this one. Okay, now let's open the template. Yeah, we click on preview the template. I don't want to preview it, rather I want to edit it. So I select on this, and if I add an element to add the code, so let's say I add this element right here, and within these div I copy paste the code and save it. Will this add the countdown timer? Yes, it does. Great. So your email bodies can also have these timers, and that's interesting. That's amazing. That's awesome. You see, your emails are going to go with these timers. Now you save this template and you can use it wherever you want. That's exciting. I loved this new feature from GoHighLevel. So that's countdown timers for you. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Sorry, not in the comments, but in the Q&A section, and I'll be there to help you and answer to any of your queries. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.